All right, it's day 23, and we're gonna try them out on some softened puppy food. Tripper, you going?
That one just went straight to town.
Just get it on their nose a little bit. Sometimes they just have to realize it's food.
Is this the first time?
Mm-hmm. Go on, Tripper. Yeah.
They went straight to it.
I usually
What did you put on?
do. Just water. Okay, here's camo and purple. Come on, camo. I'm just trying to get your nose in it, buddy.
Red's scared of it.
There you go.
Oh, there you are.
Are you peeing? Yep. I'll get that. Watch there's a pee spot.
Everybody else is eating it.
Come on, Black.
Black wants nothing to do with it.
This is the first time they're eating the food.
Where do you think you're going?
Slow down.
Eat it. Black wants face on when it's time to eat.
Slow down, guys.
Wow, you ate almost all of yours. There's one there. You're not gonna try it? Or you gotta go potty?
Camo, that's not fair.
What is he eating some ass?
Yeah. Are you peeing? What do you think of that, Mocha?
She's like, heck yeah.
Alright, guy.
Dude, that's the sun. That's the sun.
Alright, I don't think you ate anything, and now Miley's eating your food. Miley, you were a pig.
She's gonna be a big girl.
Well, maybe I should put them on the paper before I feed them. 3 of them peed. before, isn't it? What you think of that stuff? She's probably gonna want to go to the bathroom too. Goofy. I'm gonna have to put the camera back up so that I can take care of them going. They started off pretty decent, didn't they? Now they're kind of crowding each other.
Get down.
Chipper, go on. Schwells,
Both of them.
go get. I got my daughter's dogs here today. Now, what's your problem, buddy? Everybody's over here. They're doing okay. My wife just got home, so my daughter's dogs got a little excited and came downstairs. Watch out, buddy.
Josh was telling me Miley was being a piggy.
Yeah. She started it, and then a couple of the other ones. Camo was one that started crowding.
Camel?
Yeah. Can you go hit the button? Come on, buddy. Are you done?
Who's flattened?
Let's see.
Oh, baby. You're beautiful. Yes, you are.
Somebody was being loud. And Mocha's kind of enjoying this because she doesn't have to do any of the work. These are my daughter's two dogs. Tripper is the one that's, is it Merle? And then Schwillis is her favorite, everybody's favorite. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Solid puppy food. Thank God, huh, Mocha?